Yeah, you bought your roasting box. And now, what do? Well, we will show you here. This is the most important step because it helps to eliminate germs, bacteria and residues that can stick to the product in the manufacturing process. This is super easy to do. First, we take some alcohol, we pour some on any rag we have at home, and then we rub it all over the metal walls of our roasting box. Then we light the charcoal until it turns into embers, and we cover the roasting box to preheat it for 15 to 20 minutes. With that, we have finished the creation of our roasting box. What? That's it? Yes, now it's ready for use. And how do we use it? Well, as we saw, the roasting box has a charcoal can on the top. On the inside, it has a rack where you can place your meat for cooking. And finally, it has a tray that will be used to collect the juices from the meat. Now we are going to show you the incredible results you can obtain with the roasting box. With good meat, precise cuts, a little salt, and good charcoal, we get this result. Crispy on the outside and juicy in the inside. Remember to clean the metal parts with warm water and dry with a clean cloth after each use. This applies to all our roasting box models.